This event today was sponsored by the Luxury State of Mind podcast. Thank you guys for coming so much. I appreciate each and every one of you for coming. My name is Damia Shodi, and I am an international speaker. I'm a podcast host, and I am an event host. And today I partnered with Matt. I've also partnered with Joe Malone to curate experiential events just like this. And if you're looking for a speaker to empower your audience, to empower your women to think differently, to think bolder, and to embrace their authenticity, I would love to connect with you. When was the last time that you felt alive? You can, with your personal brand and how you present yourself, display your qualities, you can recreate moments that help you feel alive. For some of you, you may not think you need a personal brand, or you may not know you have a personal brand, but you do have a personal brand. And the way that you can create more opportunities in your life is to really foster that personal brand experience.